Viewers, today latest update from Ethiopia, Tigray and Oromia. Viewers, Mekelle residents trying to hide from Ethiopia drone strikes. Residents of Mekelle and aid workers say federal government forces have killed dozens of people using drones. And United Nations says that Tigray stands on the edge of a humanitarian disaster due to the war. Viewers, a strike in transportation services in protest against the human treatment of civilians by Abiy forces went into effect today in the town between Ambo and Dambidolo. The people have simply had enough of this regime brutality. On the other hand, press release from the Oromo Liberation Army spokesperson regarding the deployment of Eritrean forces in Oromia. Having failed to retake areas liberated by the Oromo Liberation Army in western Oromia, the ruling regime has redeployed Eritrean troops into West Walega, Kelam Walega, and areas in the neighboring Benishangul Gumuz state. Currently, Oromia state forces and members of the Eritrean Defense Forces comprise the majority of regime-affiliated troops in western Oromia. The federal military has resigned itself to a sportive rule by undertaking aerial attacks using drone strikes and helicopter gunships. These aerial attacks have led to a high civilian death to as they are used on highly populated targets within towns and villages. It should be remembered that Eritrean soldiers were first deployed into Oromia in April 2021 before being withdrawn later than air due to international security. During that time, they committed several extrajudicial killings of civilians, the most heinous being the massacre of 7 farmers in the Seo Nol district of West Wolega on May 3, 2021. Outside of Oromia, the conduct of Eritrean forces has received widespread attention due to the countless atrocities they committed in Tigray. The Abiy regime has invited these forces into Oromia with the calculation that the international community will continue to turn a blind eye on his action within Oromia and the border south of the country. Will call upon the global community to turn their eyes to the brutal means that this regime is employing in the south of the country in order to preserve its illegitimate rule. As we have stated before, the Oromo Liberation Army will take all legitimate measures necessary to ensure the safety of civilians of all nations and nationalities that reside in Oromia. So viewers, according to the sources, video clip from Western Tigray on the River. So let's watch this video.
ዳግም ተከዜን እንዳይሻገር እያደረገ ያለው ዝግጁነት በጣም የሚያምር መሆኑን ታዝበናል። ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ በተለይ የዚህ መከላከያ ሰራዊት ከወልቃይት ጠገዴ ምድር ይውጣ እያሉ የሚያናፍሱ ነገር ግን የአማራ ህዝብ ተቆርቋሪ ሲደመር ኢትዮጵያውያን መስለው ነገር ግን የትህነግ አማርኛ ተናጋሪዎች የሚያናፍሱት ወሬ ሐሰት መሆኑን እዚህ በታላቁ ወንዛችን ተከዜ ላይ ቆመን መመስከር እንችላለን። ጀግናው መከላከያ ሰራዊታችን የአማራ ልዩ ኃይል የአማራ ፋኖ ሚሊሻው በአጠቃላይ በዚህ አካባቢ ያለው አመራር ሲደመር ሁሉም ማህበረሰብ ተግባብቶ እየሰራና ወልቃይት ጠገዴ ብረሳሽ ቀኜ ትርሳኝ ብሎ እዚህ ቦታ ላይ ለወልቃይት ጠገዴ መስዋዕትነት ለመክፈል ሲደመር ኢትዮጵያን አንድ ለማድረግ እዚህ ተከዜ ወልቃይት ምድር ላይ ያለው ተነሳሽነት እጅግ ይበል የሚያሰኝ ነው። እዛ ውጭ ግን ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ የሚያወሩትን በተለይ በውጭ ሀገር ሆነው የኢትዮጵያን ነባራዊ ሁኔታ ሳይረዱ የሚለፈልፉትን አትስሟቸው። ያለነው ከዚህ ሁመራ ወልቃ